These flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop. Baby, our love is gonna
Why are you running?
these flames ain't going out.
This girl wants to kill me with pride. Come. Hey guys, this girl wants to kill me with pride. You see this girl is small like this. This girl. This guy. In case anything happens. But I'm not gonna say, I know you not. Hey guys, so I just got back and I have had my bath. This is the clothes, this is what it looks like, but there is like place I can hook to give it like an extra fit inside, but I'm not set yet. I just want to tell you guys that I've gotten the fridge and right now I'm just going to be unboxing before I leave, because I have to do this like very quickly before I leave the house. Remember I told you guys I will be traveling, so first off I want to go to my uncle's house for Salah, then I'll proceed my journey from there, because my sister's wedding is close, my cousin's wedding rather. So guys, let me unbox this beautiful thing and show you guys how it looks. Guys, see, I had fun while purchasing this because the lady, the attendant there, she was incredibly good. Like, this girl was really good, entertaining, and in fact I had fun buying. But yeah, I was able to come up with something because I already know what I wanted. Though what I initially wanted, something small like a double door, it was really small, so I had to go for something else. But I am so glad I got this, at least for now. It's okay, so let's just unbox. Okay, oh, let's unbox, right? So I got this. It's actually a new product, and this is how it goes. Oh, just like a guide. Okay. It's a dry iron actually, so it is not so expensive and very affordable for my office clothes. It looks like it's very smooth, and the truth of the matter is I am really excited I got it, because this was like a last minute decision for me, and the fact that it's a new product, I think it's very affordable, at least for my office wear. And I don't think it's not a steam iron, but it's good, it's cool. And then I got this warranty card, 1-year warranty card, so impressive. So guys, let's go into the real one.
Take me up to heaven. Yeah, she got me reaching still. Nothing to stop me falling. Who knew that looks could kill? I don't wonder why I'm breathing heavy, like the weight of it's on my chest. On my chest, cause it ain't no lie. I need it more than any metaphor could express. If looks can't kill, maybe I'll die tomorrow, but I'll be reaching still.
eyes, eggs. Actually, I do not know what this is for. I know it's a barcode.
Looks could kill. I don't wonder why I'm breathing heavy like the weight of it's on my chest. On my chest. Cause it ain't no.
And I'm not sure I'm traveling again because my sister just annoyed me. Like we planned and she's coming up with excuses, so I think that is cancelled. That is cancelled. Check out now. Check out now. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. And yes, I did not travel. Things did not go as planned and did not travel. I woke up this morning having a lot of things on my mind, and well, I guess it's what it is. I just had time and nights to think about things, think about people, try to analyze things, and I'm not being too critical, right? But I'm just saying that it is good for you to reflect, especially your place in people's life, and make sure you're not overdoing things. So I woke up this morning, I'm still having the effect, like I would say I am having like some effect from the thoughts I have last night. But well, life goes on. So I'm sorry I'm not looking all refreshed and how you guys would expect, but yeah. So it's Saturday, and I think what I'll be doing today, I don't have my day planned. I won't lie. I know it's good to plan your day, but right now I don't care. I don't have my day planned. So what I want to do now, I want to go to the market. Like I don't have anything in this house apart from palm oil. So what I want to do now is just to write out the list of the things I'll be needing and probably go to the market and get them, restock the house, and get some toiletries too, because I think my body wash is finished. So yeah, that part of the month, that time of the month where you have to make budget and see money leaving you, right? But that's part of being an independent person, living alone. It's always like that, but we move. In God we trust, right? So I just want to make plans. Hey guys, I'm all set, and this is a bako bag. Okay, we call it bako bag. It's just a bag that we used to like pack things from the market. Yeah, it helps to convey like large materials, things that we purchase. So right now I'm just going to head straight to the market. I know it's going to be like a long shopping because I don't have one thing in this house, so I have to get everything today. So guys, let's go to the market. Yes! Things are so expensive in the market. I don't know where this country is going to. Nigeria, how far now? How far? Like things are super expensive, guys. Like I think I spent more than 20,000 naira in the market, and I would say I didn't get anything reasonable. Do you get, like, if I wanted to get like a proper provision, that is, I should be spending around, only God knows how much. I don't know where this country is going to be honest. So for my fridge, I basically, it's not like I got food stuffs like that. I have rice, about 10 kg in the house, so I just decided to get like oil, cornflakes, like my beverage. So that's what I just decided to get, and then fruits, and then drinks. So my house is very far from the road, and I don't know how I have been surviving, because I cannot get, like, things are out of my reach. If I forget to get something while coming back from work, and that is it, I have to just wait till the next day. When they brought the light yesterday, I discovered that my water wasn't cold enough, because the current was very low and it did not even pick my fan. So I guess I would have gotten a stabilizer, but now I've gone like far beyond that. Like, my budget is below that for now, so I will have to like stay patient and until I come up with ways I can use to budget for a stabilizer. But I'm happy at least I've gone to the market. That one down. What else do I have to do? I don't know what else I have to do today, because I don't have any plans. Yeah, so let me just show you guys few stuffs I got and unpack. 2 bags. 2 bags. So I just was able to get this. This was like 2 stuffs I got. This. I got this cute. Like, I know I'm alone, right? I'm the only one staying here, and I'm not sure of taking like so much Nutella, but when I saw this Nutella, guys, oh, this peanut spread. My Nutella peanut spread, like, I like how small and handy it is. Like, I can use it to eat my bread, so I like the size. Of course, I had to get my these also. These rolls of these. Oh yeah. Kogi. Pads.
I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what.
Guys, hey people, what's up? This is many days later. Yes, many days later, guys. I'm cooking Ogbono soup. The last time I made Ogbono was when Grace was around, and I think that's like a long time. Okay, Mercy, why are you always cooking Ogbono soup? Why not? Why won't I cook Ogbono soup? Like, that is basically the only soup I know I can really eat when I'm alone. So why not? Why not? So guys, yeah, the last time you saw me was on Saturday when I went to buy my fridge, and the light has been bad. I should have just waited. I shouldn't have gotten this fridge. But no regrets. The current has been bad. I had to buy stabilizer, guys. Like, on Sunday, you need to see me looking for where to buy stabilizer, but that's story for later. My food is burning. I have to go and check my food because I don't want to get burnt. My food is burning. I want to go and check it. Okay, sorry, like, I need to go and check my food, right? I don't want it to get burnt. I'm going to tell you guys a few things about this fridge and how the stabilizer journey went, but let's go to the kitchen. I bought the stock. I have this for my spag tomorrow. I want to make spag. So inside this, I'm just going to add little palm oil. This is what the oil looks like. Like, it's really nice, guys. Very, very nice. I love it. I love it. So basically, what I want to do now is just to put in the ogbono. This is about half cups of ogbono. So guys, if you are not in Nigeria, ogbono soup. Ogbono is like a seed that we blend and we use to make soup. So it's really nutritious and I love it. Like I love it. Is very slimy. So it's something you will love. You would love. I promise you. You will love it. You will love you. You will love it. So I'm just going to stir this together. Stir it together. I'm supposed to place this on the fire because the heat will help me dissolve it all. Anyways. It's Saturday and what I'm just going to be doing today is cleaning up my house. I need to show you guys how this house is looking because I'm going to be cleaning everything, like everything. I am not leaving anything untidy. Like today is the day that there is no place in this house. In fact, this bed, I'm going to bring it out, clean everywhere, every hook and cranny is going to be cleaned today. So I have a lot of things to do. I just loosened my hair this morning and then I decided to part it into two. I know it's not even the parting, like the sectioning is not neat, but I'm going to be losing that anyways. I just don't want like the hair to get dense, so that's why I decided to do it that way. So guys, in fact, my curtains, I'm going to be washing them and washing my clothes, doing my laundry. My clothes are really dirty. So today is Saturday and it's a long weekend again, guys. April is the real G. Like April has just been there for us. Everybody that works, April has just been our guy, has just been our real G. Who's your guy? April. Like a lot of public holidays, and on Monday is going to be workers day. I think it's on Sunday, but the break moved on to Monday, so there will be no work on Monday. Also, work is going to be resuming on Tuesday too, so why not? So let me just use today and tidying up everywhere, and maybe I will just go see my mom. I don't know, it depends on how things goes. Let me show you guys how my room is looking. So I took off the curtains. I'm going to be cleaning my shelf and try to get this iron out of that place, clean everywhere because I think there are dust. Can you imagine? So I'm going to be cleaning everywhere. So this is where I finally kept this fridge. Kept it over there. I had to buy stabilizer, guys. Yes, I know it's not new stabilizer, but it has been helping me. I have to get it because the current has really been low and it was not able to power my fridge. Like it was something I had to do like ASAP. Then I have, this is what my fridge looks like. I have to clean all of that, so to clean that too. And also the ground, this too is looking dirty. I need to clean it. See, my shoes, I also have to clean them. So these are my curtains, my clothes that I'm going to be cleaning, also washing. Also I'm going to be washing all of that. It's a lot I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to see you guys when I'm done, or maybe processes in between. I don't want this video to be too long, but I'm going to try as much as possible to shake. Wait, I want to tell you guys something. Even this extension box, I'm going to be cleaning it. Like, see how it's looking. God.
Kiss me now and you know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground.
I'm still in the business of cleaning you all, and I decided to put this curtain. I decided to get this to give my mom like some privacy, some form of privacy, and I'm really happy I did this because I started cleaning this house 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. and it's already past 2. I am done doing my laundry, and now what I'm just going to be doing, I don't know if you guys can see me. So now what I'm going to be doing now, I'm just going to be cleaning the house. Oh god, this curtain is so fine. Like, this color is dope. So happy. So like, this is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. So I'm just going to be cleaning the house. See, everywhere is looking messed up because I'm trying to clean. Oh god. So I'm thinking of changing some things in this room, like the setting of some things. I know this cannot be here, but initially this was where my fridge was facing. So I'm thinking of making it face this way. Yeah, let me make it face the mirror. I don't know, that's what I'm thinking. So I just want to reset everything and see everything looking different. Not bad. It's not bad. So it's facing the window, the dressing mirror. So let me see how that turns out. If I'm going to like it, I will let you guys know. Man, I'm loving this space, guys. I'm loving this space. I'm loving this space. Oh my god. Hey lovely, so right now I'm done with cleaning the house. It's been a long and productive day. This is 5 p.m. and I started cleaning this house by 10 a.m. although I had to go to the market to get this curtain, but it's been like one of my productive days in the month of May. I like the fact that I'm entering a new month with a whole different vibes. So before I go, I need to show you guys what the room looks like now. And thank you guys for the subscribe, thank you guys for the follow, thank you guys for the likes, the comment. Thank you guys basically for sticking with me till this time. Like, I am really grateful. In fact, I am indebted. Thank you so much, guys, and I know definitely we are going to grow. So before I go, I would like to show you guys what the room is looking like, just as I have said earlier. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Guys, you need to subscribe, you need to like. Please, liking this video is important to me, and it's important because YouTube would know that you really enjoyed the video, and they would also suggest the video for other viewers to watch. And you know, that's what we need, right guys? We need to get to a wider range of people. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Peace out. So the curtains are all cleaned. This is what it looks like.
What does it mean to be happy? Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on a show. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did the song mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you